Hello and welcome to Shohini's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a little tip about how to make the substitute of Sichuan peppercorns. Now, Sichuan peppercorns are mainly used in Schezwan dishes. To make the substitute, we need 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns. We need to grind both the seeds together and pass the grounded seeds through a sieve and collect the powder in a container. We need to use 1 teaspoon of this powder for making the substitute of the Sichuan pepper. So add 1 teaspoon of the powder to a bowl. The lemon zest. And that's it. Your Sichuan pepper is ready. Just mix and use it in all kinds of Sichuan dishes. Although you won't feel the numbness that is felt when you consume the Sichuan pepper, yet the flavors are almost similar. So enjoy adding this substitute if you don't have Sichuan pepper at home. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment if you like my recipes. Thank you for watching and keep visiting my channel for more videos.